I've been taking pictures, but there's just no way that pictures, or even video for that matter, that's a roof. You just zoom in here. That is inside someone's house. And this one is a closet. Where'd she go?
Mom?
Right there. Oh, Mom. She trips me out sometimes. Thank you.
She's a sweet lady.
Yeah. I was lucky to have her as my mother. I wish my brothers felt the same way. That's a swimming pool. You close? Okay, good. Wave hi, Mom.
What?
Wave hi. You're on
Hi.
video.
We have beer in the car.
No.
That's not good.
Well, we'll go stop and get some beer on the way home. So, take you down farther this way. And this is bad. I mean, that's a remnants of a seawall right there. That's a pool.
Wait a minute.
Aww. Very shy, Mom. She loves children. Little kid's like, Mommy, the ladders fell off. More than the ladders fell off, little buddy. Don't touch, Mom. Another swimming pool. That's actually their kitchen. See, oh. Sorry, trying to get there. That's a bedroom. Look at the sand. It's completely gone under the foundation of that house. That's their patio, but they also had a pool. That's the pool right there. And you got that house right there. And then here's the ocean.